Salut! This is the pilot episode of România in English, a show where I give you the biggest news from the Romanian news outlets. Top news today on March 21st is that thing that must not be named, or otherwise the YouTube overlords would get mad. At this point, it looks like 367 people are infected in Romania. There are no deaths so far in the country, according to busyday.ro. A strange thing is that most people infected seem to be between 30 and 50. Above 60, there are only 38 cases confirmed. As you may know, all the people having a weakened immune system and other health issues, for them this could be fatal. That's why the world is freaking out right now. 52 people have recovered so far in Romania. However, there are 6 Romanians who have died in Italy and 1 in France. Romanians are coming back from Western Europe, and Hungarian government decided to allow them to transit between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. Among them, our proudest export is also coming back: thieves, prostitutes, and beggars. Adevărul is translated to the truth, so they wouldn't lie about this. Talking about thieves, the Hungarian foreign minister came to Romania on Friday to meet with the leader of the Democratic Union of Magyars of Romania, that is the biggest Hungarian party in Romania. The Hungarian minister previously met with a minister from Morocco, who later tested positive. Hungary's borders are supposed to be closed except between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. as I previously said. Nobody is supposed to go in or out of Hungary, but he did it anyway. In case you are Hungarian, know that I call them thieves because they are politicians, not because they are nationality. There are idiots in Romania as well. With no connection to what I just said, the philosopher and journalist Cristian Tudor Popescu argues that economically this is not a tragedy, since mostly all people will die who are not active anyway. If you only read the title or adevărul, you might get outraged, but if you read the article or listen to what he's saying in Romanian, he's saying the same thing we've been hearing for the last few weeks. That is, young people will only get a nasty cold, but they can give the virus to older and sicker people, for which it could be fatal. The next news comes from the city of Ploiești, and it's actually 2 news reported by G4 Media. In one case, the police find someone because they threw a party at their home on their name day, and the other case was in a village north of Ploiești, where someone threw money out their hotel window while they were in quarantine, and they were fined for that as well. G4 Media is a respectable news outlet, but I just picked these 2 random stories because this weird connection. The next story is not from a news outlet, or at least not that I'm aware of. It could have been featured somewhere, but I just found it a few days ago and I didn't look at other news. Seems like OLX, or OLX as we call it, a sort of Romanian Craigslist, they decided to block listings from people who try to take advantage of the situation and sell medical masks or rubbing alcohol that they bought in bulk previously. It's hard to find the news these days that are not connected to the pandemic one way or the other. The only one I can find is the weather, and here it is. The weather will suck for the next few days at least. There's a yellow code for snow and blizzard in the mountain regions starting Saturday evening until Monday morning. Bad weather will continue until Wednesday with no yellow code, I guess. The good thing about this is that it will make it easier for you to stay indoors away from people. Just don't throw money out the window or have any wild parties on your name day or birthday or whatever kind of day. If you stay home, you might have enough time to find weird subreddits like this one about Romanian chicks. And this is even a video. Let's enjoy it from the beginning. Or you can do what I'm doing, record a pilot for a YouTube show you wanted to do for a while and never got around to it. Please let me know if you think I should do more of this, or if you think I should watch porn instead of releasing this kind of garbage. Any feedback would be helpful. As we say these days in Romania, totul va fi bine. Everything will be alright. Thank you. Pa, pa!